Hey, what is going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on the channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to transfer a game from one drive to another in Steam. This method is working as of 2026. I don't actually think it's changed for years, but this method really only works if you have two drives in your computer, or you can have an external drive. So say you have like an external drive for your laptop. I would highly recommend an SSD. It's going to be much faster. Hard drives can work, just not as fast over USB. It is possible, it's just not as fast. So all you got to do is go up here to Steam in the top left-hand corner, click that. You're going to go over to Settings, and you're going to go down to Storage. Find the game you want to move over. Let's do, we're going to do a small game. That way it doesn't take forever. Let's do Teardown. So take Teardown. You're going to click Move. And then I actually have a folder set up already on my hard drive. So I'm just going to click that and click Move. And then it's going to go ahead and move it. We'll be back once it's done. As you can see, it has completed. I am on my D drive, which is my hard drive, and the game is here. So I'm actually going to show you also how to add a new drive. So I actually plugged in SSD, which I think has Medicat on it, but it'll work for the purposes of this video. So all you got to do is go up here to add a new drive. So say you just plugged a drive in and you want to use it, or you have a new drive in your computer and you've had one for a while, like a SATA drive. You can also follow these steps. All you have to do is go over here to add drive, and then the drives are going to pop up. You can also let me choose another location, which I highly recommend. That way you can name it. It doesn't really matter though, because it's just going to, the folder name is just going to be Steam library. But for example, all you got to do is click let me choose another location, click add. Once this pops up, you can go ahead and find your drive, which is going to be the E drive. As you can see, Medicat. I'm going to go ahead and right click on it, click new folder. We're going to call this games. I'm going to double click it. We're going to select folder, and it added the new folder. To add a game, all we have to do is find our game. I'm going to do a super small game because I'm going to move it right back. Let's do Surrounded. We're going to click move. As you can see, Medicat, click move, and it's going to go ahead and move it over. As you can see, it says all content moved successfully, so I can close that, go to the new drive, and as you can see, my games are here. I'm not really sure why it moved to Teardown, but that's okay because that's another good example. Didn't take that long since it's over USB 3 and it is an SSD. It's actually an NVMe, but it's like an external one. So if you guys actually want to buy an external enclosure for an SSD, so you want to set up a little Steam library on like a 5 to 1 terabyte SSD or a 500 gigabyte to a 1 terabyte, I'll put a link in the description below. Anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Like the video if you liked it. Anyway, guys, that's how you move games over to another drive on Steam in 2026. I do want to thank you so much for watching. If there's anything I missed, let me know in the comments below. Definitely share this with your friends who maybe have just gotten a new gaming PC and they need to know how to move games from one drive to another, because it's a simple task, but not everybody knows how to do it. Also, let me know what you guys want to see for tutorials. They can be simple. They can also be complicated. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.